And now for the crowning of our newest Binibining Darangan, ladies and gentlemen, Binibining number 4, Miss Angel Castro. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our Binibining Darangan 2025, Binibining number 4, Angel Castro. And congratulations to all the winners and to the rest of our candidates. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Ito ay patunay lamang, partner, na kung hindi ka man pinalad last year, meron laging comeback.
Yes, and much better and much higher crowd. That is what we call God plans.
Yes, and we have the organizing committee of this year's Giron Binibining Darangan, to our overall director, Jadok Lirio. This is MJ.
And this is Kimmy, and
Good night.
see you next year for Ginoo at Binibining Darangan 2026.
Maraming salamat po mga mahal namin kabarangay na Angenos. Thank you so much po. Girls, wala nga alis. Magpo-photo op tayo, ha? Photo op muna with the host. Sige, photo op. At wag muna po kayong halas cap. Sabay muna kayo sa SK Cap. SK Chairman Council, akyat na po after 9. Kap Oji. Kap Oji. Okay, SK Council po. SK Council kasama si Kap Oji del Mundo. Kap Oji del Mundo, picture po tayo kasama Winners Cup. Salamat po. Last year winners, magsama-sama na kayo. Kayo ang susunod, last year winners, sa photo op. SK, dito po. Adjust muna yung non-winners sa gilid dito, anak. Adjust muna magkabilang side, non-winners. Eddie, akyat ka sa stage. Eddie, akyat ka sa stage. Pa-adjustin mo muna yun.